Welcome to the URTM Automation series. In this video, we'll walk through the overview of the law industry dashboard, a snapshot of overall firm performance. In the center of the screen, we highlight the three main KPIs: total revenue, total hours, and average bill rate. Each of these KPIs include a year-over-year comparison for the selected period. In this case, let's select 2024 year-to-date, allowing for accurate performance assessment. Looking at the data, revenue has increased by nearly 40%, alongside an increase in total hours. However, the average bill rate is slightly down, a trend that may need further analysis. On the left, we see the total matters for the selected period, along with a year-over-year comparison. The information is broken down into active and closed matters, showing the number and percentage of total. Just below that, we have the same breakdown for total prospects, showing both active and lost prospects, along with their respective percentages. On the right, we showcase matters by area of practice. For this demo, we've used sample data from a family law firm, but the categories, as well as the actual visuals, are fully customizable. Here, you can toggle between viewing either the number of matters or the percentage breakdown by category. In the center of the screen, a line chart displays the average bill rate per month, along with the average benchmark for the selected period. Using the buttons below the chart, you can easily toggle between different metrics, such as matters, clients, hours, revenue, or the average bill rate. This selection also updates the two bar charts. The left chart reflects the selected metric by activity. The right chart displays the metric by area of practice or employee position, with all categories fully standardized for consistent and valuable insights. The final two charts are pie charts. One shows the percentage of matters handled in court, while the other displays the percentage of matters by referral. All visuals with a dot indicator in the top right corner, including these charts, can be toggled between matters and clients with a simple click, offering a comprehensive view of either dataset. Finally, let's explore a hidden feature for deeper insights. By applying filters such as status and type, for example, active matters in divorce and separation, you can view a full list of matters by simply clicking the table view on the left. And if you want to dive deeper, select a matter, and a second table on the right will display the time booked, activity, and date for each employee, providing a real-time, complete breakdown of the matter's time allocation and revenue. In our next video, we'll dive into the client profile view. Stay tuned as we explore the plug-and-play dashboard directly integrating with platforms like Clio, Soluno, and more. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website at urtmsolutions.com.